Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some stationery items I bought from Amazon last week. They include washi tape, stickers, notepads, planners and more. I purchased 4 sets of washi tapes. These two are from the seller Hastip. They had many color options. I purchased purple and red sets. Let's check the red set first. It has 20 rolls of washi tapes. All these are 2 meters in length as per the description. These 2 rolls are of vintage landscape pictures. They'll come very useful when you are journaling or bullet journaling. They are 3 cm wide. There are 2 more of the same width with beautiful floral pink designs. There are 12 rolls of 15 mm width. A few of them can be used as borders and few has this beautiful floral design which can be used individually. Then there are 4 rolls of 1 cm width. I am making a different video to show you the swatches of all the washi tapes. I don't want to include it in this one as the video might get longer. This is another set of washi tapes from the same seller, another color variant of the set I showed you earlier. This one is purple and the first one was red. Here I'll show you both the sets side by side. These are 4 washi rolls with 3 cm width. This roll has all the random pretty designs. This roll is one of my favorites. This one is with underwater animals. This roll is also very nice with inspiring quotes, pink purple clouds and dream catchers from what I can see. This one is of all the magical creatures like unicorn and other beautiful things. These can be used as page borders. We have 3 rolls of solid color washi tapes. I actually got this set for these purple colored washi tape. This one is with alphabets on it. These are the other 2 rolls which I felt are really pretty. One with butterflies on it and the other one with pink and purple clouds. As I said earlier, I will be doing swatches and review of all these washi tapes in another video. This one is a set of black and white gold foil washi tapes. I was skeptical while ordering as it looked a little flashy and tacky in the images in Amazon, but this looks okay. We'll see how it is once I get to use them in my journal. These are 2 white and gold washi tapes and there are 8 rolls with black and gold designs. Consider subscribing to my channel if you don't want to miss the swatches and other similar videos in future. The next one we have is a set of 20 washi tapes of 3 mm width. These are really thin and can be used as dividers or decorations in your bullet journal layout. These tapes are in different colors with unique gold detailing which looks really pretty. By the time I was editing this video, I had already uploaded a monthly spread video using these washi tapes. The next item is a sticker book called So Many Planner Stickers, which are very popular among the bullet journal and planner community. It contains 2600 stickers. I was not sure whether to buy these or not because it cost more than what I would usually spend on stickers. But I'm really happy that I got these because I feel these are very functional. This book has stickers for every occasion. These are for vacation, then travel, self-care. Then we have movies and popcorn, gifts, celebration, birthdays and whatnot. The stickers are small and can be very conveniently used in your planner or your bullet journal. I can do a detailed flip through of this book if you want to. Just let me know in comments. I highly recommend this if you use any sort of planner and looking for stickers. This is one of my favorite items in this haul. If you know any other seller or site which sells better planner stickers, could you please tell me in the comments? I would really like to try it out. Next we have is this set of alphabet stamps which I got mainly for journaling. I imagine these to be slightly bigger than this. Let's open it. I did not like the package it came in. It's very inconvenient to take these out and keep them back in this case. It would have been nice if this had come in a box which opens on top. This is how the stamps look. It has 26 alphabets in small letter and an ink pad. I am going to try this on the back side of my bullet journal. I really like these stamps and I can't wait to use them in my bullet journal. I found it very inconvenient to keep them back in its original case, so I store them in this chocolate box so that I can see the alphabets and pick them up easily. The next item is this dry erase magnetic board for weekly planning, which I am going to use as a meal planner. This is the package that it came in. It's very well packed. Inside we have this eraser, the planner and the markers. This is the magnetic sheet with boxes for 7 days in beautiful pastel colors and an extra box for reminders and more. It comes with 4 colored markers in green, red, blue and black, which are again magnetic and has this small sponge eraser on the cap, and the small eraser which is magnetic too. Then I have these 2 notepads I got for daily journaling. I will open this one first. It's an A5 size notepad with soft cover. The cover has this beautiful pink design which is not so loud but pretty. It has 144 unruled pages of natural shade. They are 80 GSM papers. It comes with this pretty little bookmark. It would have been nice if the ribbon was of pastel pink, but it is kind of fluorescent pink. I will open the blue one next. Both of the notepads are of similar price range. I will provide the links in the description if they are available. This is a little wider than A5 size. It is spiral bound and has a soft cover. But the cover feels sturdier than the other notepad. It has a soft matte finish. It has 6 monthly layout spread. You can use it to plan or to journal or to do both. It has a place to write the month and space for to-do list. It has 160 natural shaded pages of 80 GSM thickness, in which the first 6 spreads are for monthly layout for 6 months, and after that we have ruled pages. Then it has 4 blank pages which are perforated and can be torn into 4 card size paper. At the back they have given 2 sheets of stickers. They are planner specific stickers. This one says party, date night, business trip, etc. And another sheet with stickers for anniversary, birthdays, meeting and so on. The next item is this set of 4 sticky notes from the brand Post-it. These sticky notes are ruled and they are much bigger than the regular size. I usually use the sticky notes for lists, be it shopping list or to-do lists, and that's why I like how they have lines. They come in 4 different colors and each pad contains 45 sheets. I have kept these pads near this A4 journal so that you get an idea how big they are. I have used many brands of sticky notes but always comes back to this brand Post-it because I have not found another brand which works as good as these. And I have brought this black sticky notes which is not from Post-it but some other brand. But I got these for the black paper to use in my journals. It comes with this gold gel pen with which you can write on black paper. As you can see that the ink is not even the half of the refill, but let us try to write using this pen on the black paper. Here I have kept these right next to this A5 journal so that you get an idea of the size. I am writing the word hello on this sticky note, but this ink is not visible on this black paper. Now I will try using this pen on the other Post-it. It works just like any other gel pen. I will try to write with these gel pens that I have. The gold glitter pen is just slightly better than the previous one. And this Sakura Jelly Roll white gel pen writes very well on this black paper. So that is something to keep in mind if you are buying these sticky notes. My next purchase is this watercoloring set for beginners. It has this set of 3 squeeze brushes for watercoloring. So recently I have picked up interest in watercoloring and started experimenting with it. I realized that these brushes with water tanks can make my life easier as it's difficult to keep the clean water clean while using the colors. It comes with 3 brush tip sizes. You need to turn this to open the tank and fill up fresh water in it and close it tight to use it. You just need to squeeze here and water comes out. These are watercolor papers from Brussto which are not high-end. They are just 200 GSM, and as a beginner I wanted to try this watercolor paper and didn't want to invest much and get those 300 GSM paper yet. So this was an affordable combo available. If you are a beginner or thinking about trying out watercoloring, this could be your first investment, which is very affordable. The next item is not exactly stationery, but something you can invest in if you use straws regularly. These are washable and reusable stainless steel straws. I got 2 types. The first set has this bent straw and the straw cleaner brush. The second set came in this cloth pouch. They are straight straws and it also has this straw cleaner. The edges are rounded and not sharp, so it is safe to use even for kids and elderly. So these are the things I got this time. I would love to know what you thought about the video and let me know if you want me to review any specific stationery item. Thank you for watching.